Jaguar XF. Someone's just turned up here. They've just borrowed a battery charger, returned it to me, and I've just nobbled his XF while he's not looking, because someone's asked, how do you update the Satnav disc in a Jaguar XF? Now, we've done the Freelander 2 one, and we've shown that you can actually put the Nav DVD player out of the XF into a Freelander 2, and someone says, well, yeah, I've got an XF and I want to use it and I want to update my disc. So, right, we've managed to find the Nav player, the DVD player, and it's in the boot just here. Now, it was covered by this cunning piece of carpet that just sort of pops in, and you just take that out. It's a little molded piece, and let's have a look if we can do the same. So if we put it to unlock there, slide that over, and then press the eject button. Oh no, it's given it to me. We haven't got the ignition on, and it's given me a DVD. So let's have a look. What? Oh, you've got 2015 in there, guy. Look at that. So that he's got a 2000. Let's see if we can put the 2018 disc. So what's the story? So you can go to navigation.com and you can buy the discs off Land Rover, and they're about £179. But they normally don't go up. It looks like on the Freelander 2 it stopped at 2013. So the Jag ones are clearly going better, so you could get a Jag disc. Right, let's put that upside down so we don't scratch it, and let's get that new disc. So we've got here it's a Land Rover disc, so we'll see if this Land Rover disc works or blows up the Jag system. So right, I think it goes that way up. Right, let's have a look. Right, is it going to eat it? Right, why isn't it eating it? There we go. It's not sucking it in. Is it gone to sleep? Do you want to put the ignition? You've got the ignition on, have you? Oh no, let me have a look. Let me try and... Ah, there you go. It's eating it now. Right, let's have a look what happens inside. So let's sit inside and see if it can recognise the disc. So here we go. Bear with me. Let's go on the navigation tab. And it says Desma agree. Okay. There we go. That seems to have taken the new disc. Because there's no data stored in the hard drive. So it looks like it's as easy as now it hasn't, it's still got the Jaguar symbol up there. It doesn't appear to be any. That all seems to work. So it looks like it is possible to update your nav disc relatively easily on your Jaguar XF. So if you've got any problems with that or any suggestions, put it in the comments below. But hopefully this will help you guys update your Jag XF. They've probably changed it at some point. God, do you know what year they changed the XF interior info systems on?
The last update was about model update was about 2017.
Yeah, and that disc was 2015. So this has got to. I reckon that this is probably good to around 2015 at least. So there you go. Hopefully that helps.